Hey guys, Coach Hayden here at CFP Chicago Fit Performance. Today we're going to be demonstrating a landmine front squat. Alright, so for those of you who haven't seen a landmine front squat, right here we've got the barbell attached to a landmine. If you do not have access to one of these at your gym, just plug the barbell in the corner of the wall. Just make sure you're nice and safe. Alright, so just like your regular squat, we want to get full range of motion all the way down, all the way up. But just adjust your body accordingly to the implement, the attachment. All right, so I'm gonna bust out a few reps. Watch me how to do this, wish me luck. And after that, I'll show you ones we don't want. Hey guys, just to finish off, I'm gonna show you the 3 most common mistakes when conducting this exercise. All right, so your first one is the feet are too far back. So you're still plugged in correctly at the top, feet come back or too far back. We squat down, it puts a lot of pressure on that lower back, which we don't want. All right, second is we're too close and I can't even get the depth. I start to lean back, knees come forward, again it puts pressure on the knees and the lower back. And the third common mistake is stacking your hands on top of each other. So that puts your shoulders and your hips out of line and uneven. So what we want to do is bring those hands together, thumbs on top, and keep that in contact with your upper chest. Hey guys, try it today, get big, get strong, feel good, and have fun with it. Catch you soon.